Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Gill here at First Place Chiropractic. Today I'm going to be giving some tips on how to dust a shelf properly. So when you're dusting a shelf, oftentimes we start at the bottom and then go to the top. Now I've seen it in my own life and some people that I've seen dusting that they often just go from habit, just bend over, dust this shelf, dust this one, then come to eye level here and then go all the way up here, keeping the body in the same position, not moving, not taking any steps. Now that does seem like the easier thing to do, but it might not be the best thing for your body. As you're bending over to get that bottom shelf, you're gonna round your back. That'll put a lot of pressure on the low back, can cause low back tightness, stiffness. Also, being in this position, having your head bent over can also put a lot of pressure on the neck area. Being a NUCA chiropractor and being under NUCA chiropractic care, we all understand that being in alignment and taking the stress off the spinal cord is very important for keeping the body healthy. So you also want to make sure that you have healthy habits to make sure you stay in alignment. So a couple ways to dust this shelf in a very proper way is when you're starting on the bottom, you want to kind of be at eye level. So in order to get down there, I'm just going to take a knee and take a seat. So I'm going to sit down. I'm going to dust this shelf. If it's a very long shelf, this one's pretty short, so I'm able to get the entire shelf. But if you're doing a very long shelf, you don't want to reach over and get to that end point because that can also put strain on your low back. What at that point you would want to do is stand up, take a step, come back down, and get the rest of the shelf. Now this one is pretty short, so I'm able to just do that in one round. Staying down here, I would get this bottom one, then I would get this second one here. I can even come up on my knees to get the third shelf. This is awesome. I'm going to stand up, get this fourth shelf here. Now this one is eye level. Great, that's awesome. Got them almost done. I want to get the top shelf here. Now, habit might make you reach on top, be in this position, looking up, trying to dust that shelf. Now, especially if you've been just adjusted or where this is your first adjustment, you know that being in this position, having your arm up, can put a lot of strain on that side of your body, pulling you out of alignment, which wouldn't be the best thing because then you might have to come and see us, which I know you do want to come and see us, and we want to see you too, but we want to see you happy and healthy. So some things that you can do is you can grab a step stool like I have here. I just need to get it open. There we go. Take a step on the stool. Come up to the top here, and now I'm at a great position to dust the top of the shelf. Nice and clean. Take a step down, and those are some tips on how to properly clean a shelf. If you have any questions, give us a call in the office at 630-584-5200. I had a lot of fun making this video. I hope you enjoyed it too. Like, comment, share with any of your friends. This is Dr. Gill at First Place Chiropractic.